Ano?
Sorry, teacher, I lied.
Why? Why are you late? Did you eat?
Yes.
Yes. What did you eat for dinner? Hello? What have you eaten for dinner, honey?
I eat,
I ate.
I ate,
What?
I don't remember.
Rice? butterflies and fish. Okay. Anyway, honey, since you are, I think, almost 8 minutes late, honey. Teacher's now going to share the screen, okay? And we are now going to have our material, okay? Yeah?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we are now going to have our material, honey. And teacher's going to share the screen now. Okay. Can you see teacher's screen? Anna? You're on mute, honey.
Yes.
Hear you. Okay, that's really great to hear. So let's have this question right here, honey. We have here, do you like to learn about the universe? Do you like to learn about the universe?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Why do you like to learn about the universe, honey? Why do you like to learn about the universe? Because,
Because I think
honey, can you
it's
tell me?
nice.
It's nice. What is the universe? Can you tell me what the universe is?
I don't know.
You don't know what a
Remember.
you don't remember what a universe is, but have you heard about that before? Have you heard about the universe before? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, honey. Universe is everything. The universe is everything, honey. It is the space, it is the matter, it is an energy. Yeah, it is stretching about 93 billion light years across the observable part, honey. So this is universe in Vietnamese.
Vũ trụ,
Yeah,
Wow.
yes. Okay. So anyway, honey, what's inside the universe, honey? Do you know what's inside the universe? We have
Mm,
galaxies. We have galaxies inside the universe. Galaxies, honey, we call it like here.
thiên hà,
Thiên hà. Galaxies. Okay? All right. Okay, anyway, honey. So you like to learn about the universe. Now, let's have this one, honey. For this one, you're going to find the differences. You're going to find the differences, honey. We have picture one right here. Let me put picture one. Picture one right here. And here is picture two. Okay? You have to
okay.
encircle everything. Encircle everything.
Um,
Find the difference and encircle everything that you see. Okay? Everything, honey. Everything that you see. Everything. What else? There are a lot. Yeah,
wow.
there
Wow,
are
wow, wow.
differences. Yes. You try to find everything and then we're going to differentiate later on.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Well, well, well.
Just tell me if you're done finding all the differences, honey, okay? So we can start having the speaking part.
I finished.
Okay, okay. Let me check. Okay. Very good. Okay, let's start from the very beginning here, honey. Let's have this and this. So you're going to say in picture one, what do you see in picture one, honey?
Hmm.
In picture one, where are the trees?
In picture one, the tree is
How many trees do you see?
tree.
Okay, the trees are. Not is, but are. Okay? In
Oh,
picture one, the trees are where? Where are the trees?
the tree.
The trees are
The trees are in the hill.
mm-hmm. No, it's under. Is it under, honey?
It's under the hill.
Yeah. Are under the hill. But how about in picture two? Take a look at the picture two, honey. Where are the
In
trees
the hill.
on? On, honey. But in picture two, the trees are
The trees are
on.
in the hill.
On the hill. Honey, it's on. Here.
On the hill.
Yeah, this is on. This is in. Okay, this is under. All right? Okay, now please read your answer, honey. Kindly read this one. In picture one, please read. Please read, honey.
Mm,
Please read.
in in picture one, the trees are under the hill, but in picture two, the trees are on the hill.
Yes, very good. Okay, now let's have the next one. Okay, let's have the color of the car. Let's have the color of the car, honey. Let's have the color of the car. You tell me the color of the car, honey.
The in picture one, the
Yes.
color of the car is blue, and in picture
Okay, honey, in
and
picture
in
one, yes.
picture two, the car is the car is yellow.
Very good. Wait for a minute, honey. Let me just go to the toilet, okay? Can you wait for me?
Okay,
Okay, hold on.
okay.
You're not Okay, honey. All right. It's yellow. Okay, honey, please read your answer here, my dear.
Okay. In
Yeah.
picture one, the car is blue, but in picture two, the car is yellow.
Yes, that is how we do it, okay? How about this? And this. In picture one, there are
In picture one, the tree,
there are
there are
how
are
many?
two are three people, but in picture two, there are five people.
Very good, honey. Great job. Okay, again, please read your answer, honey, so we don't have to review that later. In picture one, there are please
In
read your answer.
picture one, there are
Three people.
three people,
But in picture two,
but
but
in
in
picture two,
there
there
are
are five people.
very good. Okay, next one. Let's have the next one. Here. Let's have the rabbits, honey. Look where the rabbits are.
There are
Picture one.
in picture one, there are
The rabbits are where?
there are the rabbits are under the
Honey, I think it's behind.
rocks. Behind the rock. And in picture two, there are the
Rabbits
rabbit
are
is are
on or in?
are in the rock.
Are you sure it's in?
No,
In, honey, it
on
means yes. Are on the rocks.
on the rock.
Okay. So please read, honey. Can you read this one? Honey, please read this one.
In picture one, the rabbit are behind the rock, but in picture two, the rabbit are on the rock.
Very good. Thank you so much, honey. That is it. Now, how about the next one? Okay, here. This and this.
This and this.
Okay, how about in picture one, honey? Please have
The
number
in
one.
picture one, um, the
The man is.
the
Take a look.
man
What's the difference?
is tall, is
Tall.
shorter, but in
Okay.
picture
Yes.
two, the man is taller.
You just say, honey. In picture one, the man is short.
Right.
Short. But in picture two,
In picture two,
the man is tall.
the man is tall.
Yes. Okay. How about the hair? This woman right here. Okay. Let's go. Picture one.
In picture one, a woman
The woman has.
have a straight hair, but in
Honey,
picture
has.
two has a straight hair, but in picture In picture 2, the woman has curly hair. Has
Yeah.
a curly hair.
Very good, honey. You're going to use the has because we are only talking about one person. That's the woman, honey. So we're going to use has, okay? The woman has a curly hair. Please read your answer here, honey. Kindly read your answer.
In picture 1, the woman has a straight hair, but in picture 2, the woman has a curly hair.
Very good. Next one, here. And here. Okay. Honey,
In picture 1,
this, yes.
the baby is holding a toy rocket, and
But
in picture 2, the
baby is?
the baby is holding a flag.
Okay, a flag. Okay, very good, my dear Anna. What else? Uh, look at the girls here. Look at the color of their shirt.
Their shirt. Okay. In picture 1, the two girls are
Two girls are wearing
wearing
what?
a red
Okay, in picture 1, the two girls are wearing
t-shirt
red
and wearing
and wearing
short. And in picture 2, two
but in picture
girls
2,
but in picture 2, two girls are wearing
wearing what's the color?
yes, wait for me. A green t-shirt and a long skirt.
Very good. Oh, hold on. I forgot to let you read this part, honey. Kindly read this part.
In picture 1, the baby is holding a toy rocket, but in picture 2, the baby holding a flag.
A flag. Because it's only one, honey, okay?
A
A
flag.
flag. Yeah, no S. Okay, next one. Please read this one.
Um,
In picture 1, the two girls are
in picture 1, the two girls are wearing red t-shirt and wearing a short, but in picture 2, the two girls are wearing green shirts
and long.
and long skirts.
Very good. Okay, next one. Hold on. How about this and this?
Picture
The man is facing the
in picture
which side? Which side, honey?
1, the man
Left or right?
is facing I don't know.
Facing the right side.
Right.
But in picture 2,
In picture 2,
the man is facing the
the man is
Facing the
Facing.
left or right?
Facing. Left, right.
Left side.
Left side.
Okay, please read this one, honey. Kindly read.
In picture 1, the man is facing right side, but in picture 2, the man is facing the left side.
Very good. Okay, that is it, honey. Next one. Look at here and here. Look at the boy, the men. Picture 1.
In picture 1,
The men are
the men are
wearing what?
in picture 1, the men are
Wearing
wearing a shirt,
striped
striped shirt.
shirt. But in picture 2,
In picture 2, the men
the men are
wearing a
plain
t-shirt.
t-shirts. Okay, anyway,
Plain.
honey, the time is already over. So I am so happy, honey, that we finished this part because this part is actually so long. So, but you were able to finish everything. So next time, honey, we're going to have the next page. You did so well today, but you have to be careful about the usage of is and are, honey, okay? And the prepositions of
Okay.
places in and on. In and on. You have to remember that, okay? Thank you so much, Annie, for your
Okay.
time. Love you, Anna. Bye bye.
Bye.